Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Techno Talker. My name is Dipto Sarkar and today I am gonna share with you how you can use ChatGPT more effectively. I have been using ChatGPT from long time and it has helped me in my day-to-day life work. So in this video you will get a good guideline with my experience how you can use ChatGPT more effectively and get maximum outcome from it. So without talking too much, let's dive in. So here is the ChatGPT and today we will make a complete business model by using ChatGPT. From generating business idea to exploitation plan, we can make everything by ChatGPT. For example, we will find out the route to market, the potential market, the marketing channel, the distribution, how you can distribute the product and what would be our marketing strategy. Everything we will find out through ChatGPT, as well as we will making the idea, the business idea. We will generate the business idea through ChatGPT. Currently Metaverse is in hype in terms of popularity, so we can use metaverse and esports. Esports is my favorite thing. I had invested on esports quite a long time ago. We will use metaverse and esports to making an idea, for a business idea. So we can give ChatGPT like give me a innovative business idea related to metaverse and esports. Sports. Let's see what ChatGPT can give us. Okay, virtual reality sports arena. Okay, here is the concept. Okay, virtual reality setup, in-game integration. So basically ChatGPT give me one idea and here they elaborate the idea, unique selling proposition, the market potential. So we can ask as the revenue stream. So here is only one idea like virtual reality esports arena. So we can ask some more idea, maybe I don't like this idea, we can ask some more idea. So we can ask give me some more idea. Okay, metaverse esports coaching platform. Okay, great. Virtual esports trading marketplace, esports theme park in metaverse, esports theme park. This is something like innovative. And esports recruitment, broadcasting, esports fitness, esports metaverse fashion and cosmetics. Okay, metaverse esports research and development lab. Okay, that's also a good idea. So here esports theme park in metaverse. Okay, trading marketplace. So I like the idea esports music and concert in metaverse. So we can move forward with this idea. So we can copy this idea. And we can ask some more details based on this idea. Like give me more details. Yes, about. We can make a quotation and under quotation we can paste the idea. So in this idea that would be the feature, virtual concert venue, a realistic avatar, okay, live performance, interactive elements, VIP experience, virtual merchandise, okay, global accessibility. So here are lots of idea. So these are the revenue stream, ticket sale, VIP premium access, branding, okay, market potential. Okay, here is the market potential. So ChatGPT already give me lots of things, but we need to ask maybe we need some business related questions. We need to ask according to this idea, what would be the route to market? Okay, what would be the route to market? So ChatGPT give me a thing. So market research, okay, for route to market we need to do market research. Okay, platform selection, partnership and licensing. Definitely we need to do partnership with maybe metaverse organization, esports organization. We need to do partnership. Marketing promotion, definitely if we wanna reach a broader audience we need to marketing and we need to promote that thing. Ticketing and registration. Okay, so for route to market ChatGPT give me a very good thing. We can ask some more business related question like for execution the project we need an exploitation plan. So we can ask exploitation plan for next 6 months. So give me the exploitation plan for first 6 months. first 6 months. Okay, month 1 platform selection. Okay, partnership licensing, partnership licensing and content creation. Month 2 artist confirmation ticket system. Okay, month 3. So ChatGPT, ChatGPT divided every task according to the month. It's really great. If I am a project manager and I wanna do these things, it takes a quite long time, but ChatGPT give me these things within few seconds. Okay, also you can ask Gantt chart. Gantt chart includes all the project plan within a specific time frame, so we can ask for Gantt chart. So let's see ChatGPT can give us or not. Give me a Gantt chart. Give me a Gantt chart. Oh my god, it's provide a Gantt chart. Oh my god. So for month 1, okay, market research, ongoing, this is an ongoing task. For 3 months, this is also content creation would be a ongoing task. Technical testing, virtual concert launch. Okay, this is for 4. Maybe here is also 5 or 6 months. We need to scroll this. We need to horizontally scroll this. Okay, here is for 6 months. So ChatGPT give me a 6-month project Gantt chart. This is really great, guys. This is really impressive. Okay, ChatGPT also give me a Gantt chart. So what question we can ask? Maybe like if we want to start a business, we need a potential market. So we can ask ChatGPT what would be our potential market for this idea or for this project. So maybe we can ask, give me the potential market or country. Potential market or country for this project. Let's see. Okay, United States, South Korea. South Korea has a great appearance on esports. Japan, also a tech-savvy country. European country, Brazil, India. Oh my god, India is a large community, large consumer market. So Indian esports market is a really great. So ChatGPT also give us an idea for what country would be a potential market for our project. This is great. Also, we know ChatGPT's data is cut off in 2021. So if we maybe for some cases we need to calculate or we need to analyze based on the current scenario. So we can also do this with ChatGPT even if it's data cut off in 2021, but we can still do by this way. We can find out the market size for metaverse in Google, like metaverse market size. So this is the metaverse market size. We can copy this, and if we give as an input in ChatGPT and if we ask question based on this input, ChatGPT can generate this. Like this is the market size. Now we can ask, can you give me calculation growth based on this data? Let's see. Okay, projected revenue. Okay. So revenue in 2022, 61. Okay, projected revenue and the market size. Okay, so ChatGPT is generated a demo calculation what market we can achieve. ChatGPT can generate this. Also, we can ask some. Give me a calculation for demo calculation for growth. Assume, okay. So projected revenue 20%, 2023, 2024. Okay, projected revenue 2025. So ChatGPT calculate estimated predictive revenue what we can do if we establish this project. So we can make some relevant calculation based on this current data. We can also do that by ChatGPT. So hopefully you can understand how you can conveniently, how you can properly use the ChatGPT. You know, ChatGPT has a context memory. So if you start a chat with ChatGPT, then you can ask any question, and ChatGPT by default connect this with the previous question or previous thing that you have asked on ChatGPT. So in this chat, I have generated a business idea through ChatGPT and make a complete business plan. What would be our route to market, Gantt chart, exploitation plan. Even if I have generated the demo calculation about our projected revenue. So we can do a lot more thing with ChatGPT if we use this in a proper way. By use this manner, you can definitely ChatGPT found helpful and get a maximum output. And no more today. If you found this video helpful, then definitely hit the like button, do subscribe, and if you have any confusion, any suggestion, you can definitely leave a comment below. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye.